स्वयं आविर्भूत होने के कारण नाम हुआ स्वयंभू और स्वयं अज्ञा स्वयं आविर्भूत होने के कारण नाम हुआ स्वयंभू। अब दिखा रहे हैं रुद्र परिशिष्टान पदः पंचज पंचहरितनामतः अलपः सर्वलोकानां विष्णुलोकः प्रतिदिशः तस्वपरिष्टान ब्रह्मन्तः काञ्चन चित्तसंयुतः मेघस्तु पूर्वदिवाये मध्ये कुलवनोदधे विष्णुलोकमहर्तः पर्यन्तः संस्थितः तत्र संजीवनं देवदेवजनार्दनः लक्ष्मीसाय सततं शशपर्यन्तमास्थितः। रुद्रलोक यानी शिव जी जहाँ रहते हैं रुद्रलोक के एक ऊपरी भाग में सर्वलोक के आरंभ जारी जो भूगोल बताया
the 14th planetary system is there. Atal, Pital, Sutal, the lower planet, and the Bhuvaswar is the 7th planet upper away. From this 14th planet system, they cannot go to the Rudraloka. 50,000 jojon. So it's 50,000 jojon. 1 jojon is 8 miles. So 44,000. So 50 jojons at times it's 8 miles. Like every jojon is going to be 8 miles. This is how Sarang is. 50,000. 50,000 is 40. 50,000 is 40. 400,000. 400,000. 400,000. 400,000. 400,000 miles. This is how the Vishnu Loks is. Sumeri Parvat. The east of Sumeri Parvat, there is a salt ocean. In the middle of that, it's actually like a golden thing. Some places it's called golden place. It's like a golden place, and it's shining also. Where is the Vishnu Lok? In the middle of the oceans, salty oceans, there is a Vishnu Lok. It looks like a golden color. Sumeri or Kumeri? Sumeri means uttar dike. Sumeri uttar dike hobe. Tai to? Kumeri dokhin dike. Sumeri Kumeri opposite side to. The Vishnu Lok is there. Brahmaji sometimes come there. Sometimes Brahma goes there to see. Where Brahma goes, where Janardhan Vishnu, the bed of Sesu Saja. Sesu Saja means like Andradev's bed. He actually stays there for 4 months, Chaturmasa, with Lakshmi ji. In the middle of Lavan Sudra, the salty ocean, there is a golden color land. It's called Vishnu Loka. Sometimes Brahma goes there, sometimes Brahma goes there to visit. Sesnag, the snake. By that, the bed is there, and Janardhan, Vishnu, he lays there with Lakshmi ji, and Chaturmasha brought his Chaturmasha, like during Chaturmasha, he lays there and like sleep there with Lakshmi ji.
क्षीर समुद्र
सुमेरु पूर्व दिशा
मेरु पूर्व दिशा
मेरु कुमेरु আছে না কুমেরু আছে সুমেরু কুমেরু the east of the Meru, east of the Meru. The way east of Sumeru mountain in the salty ocean there is a Vishnu Lok, and again in the east, again the east side of the Sumeru where the Kir Samudras. So also there is a beautiful place there. In the inside the Kir Samudra, Bhagavan Vishnu with Lakshmi. The snake, the Anantadev Sheshnag sit. He used to sit there. The 4 months of rainy seasons, he actually enjoy his sleep. Now question may come. Now says there is in the salty ocean there is this golden place there. The bed that made of snake. Vishnu stays there with the Lakshmi 4 months, Chaturmasya time. And same Sumeru mountains, east side there is a Kir Samudra. In the middle of Kir Samudras, there is a land there, beautiful lands. It's white color. First was golden color, and then second one is the white color. The Shesh there is also seat, like sitting place that made of snake, Anantadev, and also he also spent Chaturmasya during rainy seasons. How to like communicate with them, both of them. Narayan himself is not poor. Lakshmi is his wife. Ratnakara tava griha. Ratnakara. How Krishna's house is made of? It's made of jewels. In Mahabhans, in Uppercut Vrindavan, Krishna's house is there. All the pillars are made of gold. Made of gold or like jewels. It's more clear than even the mirror that we use. And also the wall also made of the golden brick. Like we see that rich people in these worlds, they have so many different houses. Similarly, Narayan also had so many houses. Chaturmasya ki barsha kale? Chaturmasya barsha kale?
जैसे इधर पूर्व दिशा में मिलेगा, इस पूर्व दिशा में जाओ, रोड मिलेगा, दुर्वासा मिलेगा। इधर जाने पर कितना कुछ है, इसके बाद क्या अस्पताल पूर्व से दौरे पड़ती है, उसके बाद ये अम्बाखा भी है, ऐसे इधर पूर्व में अम्बाखा है, फिर पूर्व से कृष्णपुरी है, ऐसे ही सोमेन पर्वत के पूर्व दिशा में पहले आता है लवण समुद्र और फिर दूर में
Kir Samudra.
समुद्र की 7 प्रकार है।
So ocean is 7 types.
ये बोलो 7 प्रकार की।
लवण समुद्र, क्षीर समुद्र, घी समुद्र, मधु समुद्र, তারপরে ইক্ষু জুসের সমুদ্র, দারু ওইটা মনে নেই, ওইটা হয়ে গেছে 7টা হয়ে গেছে। না তাহলে একটা কমে যাবে আর কি ওখান থেকে। ঘি না মধুর মধ্যে ঘিয়ের মধ্যে একটা হবে, মধু না ঘি আর মধুর মধ্যে একটা হবে, নাই মধু হবে, ঘি নাই। এটা আছে, মাঠার আছে, ক্ষীর সমুদ্র, মাঠা সমুদ্র, then ঘি সমুদ্র 3 তার মানে মধু নাই লবণ সমুদ্র মিঠা পানি আর ইক্ষুদান ইক্ষু কেনাকে রস 7 টাইপ অফ সমুদ্র সুরা ওই দুটো মাঠা আর সুরাটাই মনে রেখেছে so 7 times the ocean is there. So one is the sweet waters, another one is buttermilk, another one is milk, and then there's a sugar cane juice, another one is ghee, samudras, the oceans of ghee, and also there is and there's alcohol samudras too, like alcohol ocean. क्या दूध दही नहीं दूध दही मठा घी दारू दारू लवण sweet water, just regular sweet water, Sikonji water. दूध दही घी माठा milk no ठीक साधु जल ठीक এইটাই ঠিক সাধু জল dodi dugdha ghee dodi means milk and then yogurt and then ghee and then the sugar cane salty then sadhu jal means sweet water and then alcohol 7 is done ক্ষীর সমুদ্র আছে তো আমার মনে হয় ক্ষীর সমুদ্র হবে ওই দুধ দই আর মাঠার মধ্যে একটা আলাদা হবে হ্যাঁ ক্ষীর হবে ক্ষীর সমুদ্র হবেই দুধ আমরা ওটা দুবার কাউন্ট করছি আর দিয়ে ওর মাঠা আর দইয়ের মধ্যে একটা আলাদা যাবে বাদ যাবে দই আছে আর মাঠা আছে না মাঠা হবে হবে ওই যে কি বললাম মাঠা হবে দই না মাঠা হবে দই হবে না মাঠা হবে হ্যাঁ দারু অ্যালকোহল হবে Maharaj says if the alcoholic knows that where is the alcohol ocean, then they will just go there. They will do the bhajan for it. Doi na ওই মাঠে দধি মন্ডন দই নাই Now let's go Sumeru দক্ষিণ দিকে the south of Sumeru there is an ocean of milk in the middle of that there is a island it's called Setudip this is Panchobeg Sutijavan 25,000 times 8 miles 20 It's also beautiful land, like a delta. Everyone that lives there, they are glowing. Their effulgences are very strong. It's more than like a sun, more than as the moon. The people that lives there in Setudip, their effulgences are very strong, like almost sun, and also they're also beautiful and also very strong. Effulgences is there. Even though the demigods, even the human is very far, the demigods they cannot even take a darshan of them.
श्रोतामलशिरोपेतः समन्ताच्छिरोगाभिषेके। ब्रह्मांड पुराण में वर्णन है।
In Brahmanda Puran says that how's the Setudvip look like? It's in the, like almost parallel to the Kir Samudras, and in the south of Sumeru. কি করে হয়? যদি সুমেরুর দক্ষিণ দিকে হয়ে গেল, ক্ষীর সমুদ্র হচ্ছে পূর্ব দিকে, তাই না? আমার মনে হয় না।
वो जो बताया जो शुद्ध वर्णा एक पूरी है ये समुद्र के बीच में जहाँ शिशास्त्र में लोग बैठते हैं और चारवास निवास जाते हैं।
ক্ষীর সমুদ্র
वही जो
मेन
पूरी है उस पूरी के दक्षिण दिशा में सूर्य के दक्षिण दिशा में नहीं।
So it's not the south of Sumeru. So the second one which we are talking about, that Setudvip is there, where actually Krishna in rainy seasons, where is the Kir Samudra and where actually Vishnu always sitting. এটা প্রথমে এটা বলেন লবণ সমুদ্র, তারপর এটা বলেন ক্ষীর সমুদ্র, তারপর এটা আচ্ছা there's a golden lands in the salty ocean. Second one is this white land. Third one is তৃতীয় নম্বরটা হচ্ছে ওই সেকেন্ডের দক্ষিণ দিকে আছে, সেতুদ্বীপের দক্ষিণ দিকে আছে নাকি? দ্বিতীয়টা ক্ষীর সমুদ্র বললেন, স্বর্ণকান্ত আর ওই সেকেন্ডের নাম কি কি দ্বীপ? ওটা গোল্ডেন কালার ছিল তো বললাম। First one is golden, then the Setudvips. Second one is Setudvips in Kir Samudras, Kir Oceans, and the south of that there's also wave there, and it's flower. One kind of flower is called Kunda. It's colored up like that. In Vishnu Purana also says so all those different shastra has different kind of like explanation. That's why let's just leave it. জানা থাকলে একদিন ঘুরে আসে সেটা।
अब आते हैं भगवान के लीला बता।
ওই সেতুদ্বীপ তাহলে এই হতে পারে মহাপ্রভু জায়গা Now there's Leela Avatar of Krishna. Now we're going to explain, like discuss about Leela Avatar of Krishna. The Garbhodasai Purush is there. Garbhodasai Vishnu himself came as a Chatur son, Char Kumar, son of Sanandan Sanat Kumar. Pure knowledge and the bhakti to preach through Brahma, Chatur son appears in this world. 4 of them has the son, name is there. That's why it's called Chatursan, because son is four of the name has common. That's why it's called Chatursan. How they look like, they are always look like a 5 to 6 year old. First avatar, first incarnation was Chatursan and Narad. তাহলে এরা সব গর্ভদশায় বিষ্ণুর অবতার বলছে, গর্ভদশায় বিষ্ণু থেকে এসছে বলে চতুর্থ প্রথম অবতার যদি সেকেন্ড অবতার বলছে মানে তাহলে নারদ হবে ওনারই অবতার। তাহলে নারদ কার অবতার বলছে? দ্বিতীয় অবতার, the দ্বিতীয় incarnation came from Brahma, Narad. সেই পুরুষ ঋষি সর্বর লাস্ট রিপোর্ট দেবশিত প্রাপ্ত হইয়াছেন, অর্থাৎ গর্ভশায়ী পুরুষই স্বর্গ লাভ করকে দেবশিত্ব को प्राप्त किया। Says Garbhodashayi Vishnu earned the Devarshi title. ब्रह्मा से देवर्षि नारद रूप के अभिभूत हुए हैं। गर्भदशाई विष्णु ही सफेद रंग धारण करके अर्थात बहुत गोरे रंग। Garbhodashayi Vishnu taking the reflection of white color came as a Narad Rishi. তাহলে নারদ ঋষি পেয়ে এসেছেন তাহলে। As a Narad Rishi he came. First he came as a Chatursan and then came second as a Narad Rishi. Now is Baraha avatar. In Baraha avatar, for the benefit of this world, Yogeshwar Sri Hari actually took the incarnation of Baraha Dev. In Bhagavatam, second canto is explaining that. Baladev came twice. Once in a Swayambhu Manvantar, he came out of Brahmaji's nose. And second time, Chakshus Manvantar, to rescue the earth and kill the Hiranyaks, so he appeared from the water. Baladev has two incarnations. One is 4 legs, like a baraha, like a boar, like a इसलिए पूरी घर की कृपा अभी तो अपना खुला समस्त मंदिर बंद है, इसलिए ताला बंद के जाना पड़ेगा सब। संप्रभु ने अध्याय कर दिया। तुम्हारा नाम बोलते हैं, तुम्ही कुछ when Mother Earth went inside the waters, like Rosatol, another planetary system. Brahmaji was thinking how to do the creation. When he thinking at that time, there is a one dot come out from his nose, and slowly it grow up, become like a pig, and then jump in the waters. Why is pig? because it is smell tendency is there. The pig is the one that can smell much better than every, like strong smelling capacity is there. Then stop it and also and bring the mother earth from there and actually put it up there and then fight with Hiranyaksha. Why that happened? Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu. Kashyap. Hiranyaksha, Kashyap Rishi. And Daitya to ট্রান্সলেট করতে হঠাৎ করে জিজ্ঞাসা করলে থাকে মাথায় The son of Kashyap Rishi and Diti's son. From Diti is become Daitya's Dana of the demon. Aditya means Aditya means Devata, demigods. Kodru from Kodru's neck came. From Vinata, all the birds and Garud, they must past example, they all came from there. They kept them 100 years in her home. Then Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu took birth. Right after taking birth, Hiranyaksha went to the waters and tried keep hitting the waters and saying, Juddhangde, fight with me, fight with me. Who is the Adhisthati Deva, the presiding deities of Samudra, oceans, is that Varundev. Varundev came up to him and says, my age, I'm older now. I cannot fight with you. Then who should I fight? Vishnu is the one can actually fight with you properly. Where is he now? It's very hard to get darsans of him. He can meet Narada, and Narada knows everything. Narada has all the details of Vishnu. Then he found Narada. Are you Narada? Yes, I am Narada. Where is Vishnu now? I have to fight with him. This time, actually, the Mother Earth actually under the Rosatals. Vishnu is going there to actually rescue her. He can actually fight with him now. Then he's seeing that Vishnu is going. He says, hey, wait! I want to fight with him. Nobody is equal to him, and nobody is even more than him. He keeps screaming that chor, thief, he's stealing the Mother Earth. Then actually Vishnu himself, he picked the Mother Earth from there and rescued and put it up the lands. And 60,000 years Vishnu fight after with Hiranyaksha. If Mother Earth went inside the water, where they fight? The Adhisthati Devatas, the presiding deities of Prithvi, which actually was stolen and was under the waters. So that's the one Baraha they brought and put it up the lands and fight 60,000 years. Another time also happened. This is Krishna Baraha. This is black one who killed Hiranyaksha. The another one is Seth Baraha. It's a white color. এখানে আছে তো আছে না Seth Baraha Brahma থেকে এসেছে Seth Baraha, there is one is Krishna Baraha and there is Seth Baraha. Seth Baraha came from Brahma's nose. Seth Baraha. It looks like as like the Nishingadevs. The half of the body looks like animals, half of the body looks like a human. It's called Nibaraha. And this Nibaraha is actually the lower part is the human Jesse and upper part is like a pig. Barahadev. अरे सेद बराह के नी बराह बोला है उन्हीं ब्रह्मा থেকে এসেছেন পৃথিবী के কি উদ্ধার उसने की कहानी उसने पृथ्वी की कोन उद्धार করে কি কে নিয়ে গিয়েছিল तो ये घर कैसे आए मथुरा में how they come to Mathura Now you can see that the Nil Baraho, Seth Baraho, and Krishna Baraho, they both actually in Mathura. How come they come here? First Barahadev, it was with actually Brahmaji. From Brahmaji, Indra got that. Fight with Indra and defeating Indra. Actually, Ravan took the Barahadev, both of the Barahadevs to Lanka. When Bhagavan Ram defeated Lanka like Lanka's Ravan. Ram got those deities to bring that to Ajodhya.
भगवान राम जब लंका को आक्रमण किया, रावण को मारा, फिर उसके मार करके विभीषण को राजा बनाया और बराहदेव के जो विग्रह का स्वरूप ले आए अयोध्या में। भगवान राम के जो चार भाई हैं, चार भाइयों में से
Bhagavan Ram had 4 brothers. Shatrugna was the youngest one. Shatrugna always used to complain to his brother, Bhaiya, you never actually think me I am able to do anything, like any kind of sevas. Lakshman is very lucky and fortunate. He was there 14 years with you serving, but you never take me as Lakshman. Then Ram always says, don't think about it, don't worry about it. When the time will come, I will give you some seva service. This is how few days after, from Mathura, some Muni Rishis, Sadhus, Brahmins, they went to Lord Ram's and complaining to Lord Ram's that, hey Raja, hey King, it's very difficult to live in Mathura right now. Labanasur is now right there. Labanasur is actually disturbing everybody. मार करके की कर लो मेरे की करे so kill so many Brahmins there by their Brahmin thread. They fill up the well, like so many Brahmins were already killed. Hearing that, Ram says, okay, Shatrugna, come here. Can you actually take care of this? Can you take care of this service and kill Labanasur and establish the dharmas there? Then Shatrugna says that I don't want to be myself without you. Then Ram says, you have to go do some service. So I go. Then the sadhus and rishis, they actually warn Shatrugna that Labanasur has one kind of trident from his father. As long as he has the trident, nobody can kill him. When he goes for hunting, that time actually he never takes the trident. So that is the time you have to catch him and kill him. Before he entering in the cities, you have to actually catch him and kill him. Shatrugna, this is how they explain to Shatrugna. Krishna actually cannot kill him. Shivji's devotees, because this trident actually came from Shivji's. That Shivji's war, to keep the Shivji's war, Bhagavan always keep the respect and honor for his devotees. So Shivji's devotees, Shivji's war is important. That's why Bhagavan has to follow it. That is the time Shatrugna actually brought the Barahadevs, and after killing the Labanasurs in Mathura, and he established the Mathura Nagar, Mathura cities, and established the Barahadev also here. Every year, Brajamandal Parikramas, we go and take darshan of him. चार चतुर्जुग आगे एसছিল ওই যে বরাহদেব আজকে না
ये बराहदेव के बारे में नहीं है, जो मथुरा से ब्राह्मण लोग आए थे ना, इसके बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ। तो
ये मथुरा में ब्राह्मण लोग आए उस समय के, जब रामचंद्र राज उस समय की बात।
चार चतुर्जुग आगे वैवस्वत मनु
अभी 28 ब्राह्मण से सभी लोग
बस আজকে হয়ে গেল আর কি।
ऐसे बलरामदेव मथुरा में आए।
This is how Baladev came to Mathura. Huh? You will say? Huh?
और बता रहे हैं पीछे तो खुलना ही नहीं, ये किसमें खुलना है? अंदर आगे ले लीजिए और टाइम से निकाल कर अंदर इस लाइन दे देना। निरंतर संभव भावे निहंगम कंपिकुलः यत्पाति बला असुखी बला पतिमतः कदाचित् जलश्यामो कदाचित् चन्द्रपाण्डवः आङ्गलः यत्मुक्षिस्तविष्टोः वर्णकरं कृपः कृपः संस्कृत श्रेष्ठ संस्कृत इसका नाम है
Baladev is superior. It says that who has the teeth, like strong teeth, is the stronger. So the Baladev is the stronger. But you can say the elephant has a bigger tongue, then he could be superior. No. That there is no incarnation of elephant is there. That's why we can say take it as a Baladev, because the wild animal, wild Baraha, like the wild pig, sometimes we see that they have a big teeth that are coming out of their mouth, and very dangerous to rescue the earth. So to rescue the mother earth, and also came as a Hiranyaksha fight with Vishnu. That is the four-legged Varahadev, and the Seth Varahas that came from Brahma. That is the time that is two legs Varahadev. So Krishna Varaha is 4 leg and it's black color. Seth Varaha, Nri Varaha, it's white color and also 2 leg. In Chakshus Manvantar, now 28th of Chaturjang, Bhavishyat Manvantar. এখন ভবিষ্যতে মনন্তর চলছে কি ওই তো বলছি না বৈবস্বত বলেছি বানান যেসব বলে বলতে
বৈবস্বত মন্বন্তর আর যে ছোট যে মন্বন্তর চাক্ষুষ মন্বন্তর.
The 60th Manvantar is the Chakshus Manvantar. In that Manvantar, as a son of Pracheta, Daksha came. In Chakshus Manvantar, actually Hiranyaksha got killed. So Chakshus Manvantar. This is how we are finishing here. Manchakalpatar Vaschaki Pasi in the Bible.
Hare Krishna. Recording.